welcome the nations of the Commonwealth with a spectacular opening ceremony. The 5,000 years of culture through to the hectic place of
She's wide awake.
Brought some volume to the show. Prince Charles and the Indian president shared the honour of officially opening the games.
She's tracking.
Flag bearer Saraya Mann said she was thrilled to lead Australia in the stadium for the first time.
Tracking well.
Oh.
I'm going to have to go.
Okay.
Can you take the camera? It's still filming.
What's the matter, what? You want another rush? Crack the biscuit thing. Oh, right. I wish you never found where the kid Here we are. Wyatt. Wyatt. What's that? Crystal, we found the Chubba Chups.
Definitely not having any of them. Way too sticky.
Oh, Mr. Independent. Taking the wrapper off and everything.
Yeah.
He was the favourite to win this race, and he is dismayed, shocked as he saw the captain of Harrogate before the rest of the break. He reverted back to the warm-down rules, although it's not a lot of point really. This was the only event for him for the whole games, and we're yet to confirm. Well, he's actually ruled out any illness.
Yeah, so look, the other story coming through.
Tracking it again?
Jelly Belly, because Rob Burley and Ryan Napoli were both being affected by that. So, that's going to be developing further. But the big concern for all the athletes is the food over there. So let's hope it doesn't strike any more food.
Can you take it again? My arms.
Do you want to keep filming, do you?
I don't know.
Got plenty.